Hey guys, how you doing? This is Rich from RichTV live in Mexico on July the 7th, 2022. And we're going to break down the big news of the day. So oil back above $100. So oil back now above $100. Global stocks rise. Dow futures up 346 points. I'm going to show you the Dow futures here. Take a look at this. The Dow futures having a big day. Let's take a look here. You can also go to our website at RichTV.io, learn how to trade and join our ecosystem. And we can take a look right here at the Dow Jones Industrial Average at 31,384, up 346 basis points or 1.12%. So a huge day for the Dow Jones. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq, also a big day for the Nasdaq. You can see all of this here on Market Watch. The Nasdaq up 259 points for the Nasdaq, monster day for the Nasdaq Composite Index. So very, very strong day for the Dow Jones and for the Nasdaq. And then in Canada, the Toronto Stock Exchange, the TSX, also a very, very, very big day. Let's take a look at the TSX as well. You can see here up 333.51 basis points or 1.78% for the Toronto Stock Exchange. So the 2 to 10 year yield curve inverts further, and economic calendar outlook, American events to look out for: challenger job cuts year over year, average hourly earnings month over month, also high impact news, and the ADP non-farm employment change, high impact news to look out for, and unemployment claims, high impact news to look out for. Trade balance, natural gas storage numbers are coming out, and crude oil inventories numbers also coming out. So stay tuned to that. Now in Canada, events to look out for: unemployment change numbers coming out, and this is very high impact. And we also need to, let's take a look at this. Definitely look at the unemployment rate, also high impact news. Keep your eye on the unemployment rate in Canada. Now, Bitcoin up there. Let's take a look at the price of Bitcoin. And we're going to look at the price of Bitcoin now here on Webull. So just quickly looking at Webull, you can see the price of Bitcoin is at 20,604. Currently, the price of Bitcoin at 20,604. So Bitcoin is currently trading around that 21,600 mark and starting to see resistance, not having an easy time getting to 22,000. If it can break that 22,000 mark, it will be a very bullish signal. If not, it will most likely trade back down to that 19,000 mark, where we typically recently have been seeing some support. So that would be where, if you want to take a short, maybe take a short from 22 down to 19. If you're looking to take a long, maybe start looking at taking a buy at that 19 mark if you're looking long. Always remember to do your due diligence, do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about or discuss here on RichTV Live. Other than that, let's take a look at the Ethereum chart as well, as we see Bitcoin struggling to hold that 21,600 mark a little bit. We're going to take a look at the price of Ethereum and the price action on Ethereum as we see it today. So Ethereum back to that $1,228 mark right now, as you can see it. And in that mid 1,200 range, starting to see a little bit of resistance. If it can break that 1,300 level, it would be extremely bullish for Ethereum. If not, you will most likely see it drop back to that $1,000 mark range. Full disclosure, I am a holder of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Please do your own due diligence and your own in-depth analysis. We do that here every day at RichTV.io, an ecosystem built by investors for investors. We'd love for you guys to join our ecosystem and join around 100,000 investors worldwide on platforms all over the globe and growing, where we talk about stocks, cryptocurrencies, NFTs, metaverse, real estate, travel, entertainment, sports, news, and trending topics 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Join our community. It's your host with the most, your boy Rich, live from Mexico, saying have a nice day, everybody. We'll see you soon. Peace.